All right, making bacon today. Chef Anthony here. We're cooking bacon in convection. Guys, we're gonna cook it on a wire rack. So I have my parchment paper underneath, because I don't like to do dishes. We have some great bacon. Let's jump right into this. So I got my wire rack raised up really nice. And this is key, guys. The wire rack is equivalent to the tray. So airflow can go purposely. So it can go right across. So really there's no high or low spots. That creates some uneven cooking. So we got the wire rack down here. We're gonna roll 5 nice slices of this bacon here, right across, right? And I go left to right. Some people go up to down, but you know, if you go up and down like this, you're gonna see little divots. We wanna go the length of the tray. We wanna keep all the bacon in the run, just like this. The advantage about cooking bacon in the oven is huge. You know, you can cook for, you know, multiple families. You can cook for a ton of people. You know, now we don't have to worry about, you know, in a frying pan. Plus it's less mess, less waste. So you'll see a better product yield here in the oven. But we're gonna push it on convection, guys. You know, just space it out really nice. Don't overcrowd it either way, because you know, a lot of people wanna go like this and shingle this to get more on. Don't worry, bacon doesn't take that long to cook. Let's shingle it out, let's give it some space, let's let it, you know, cook and go. Speaking of cook and go, we're gonna pop this guy right in the oven and make some bacon. I love it, right? Jump right in. Oven's up to temperature. Let's pop this bacon in, okay? Very nice convection cooked bacon right here. Let's look at it. This is on the wire rack, so we have the air coming underneath it. So the convection is pushing that air through, and now it's dripping right down, so we're really not cooking in that grease. So it's gonna be a healthier cooking bacon. So let's look at this. Super crispy. We're gonna put it on paper towel just to see. Get a little bit of that bubbly, that extra grease off. This is crispy bacon. Texture's right there. Look. Oh, oh, oh. Convection cooking did it. I gotta try one. Crispy and clean. I love it. Thank you, convection.